everybody, it's Valerie here, and we are making an awesome party board! So, are you excited, huh?
Yeah!
So we have all these boxes here. I have a bin of party decorations. Yeah, and balloons. Yeah! And hopefully we make a really cool fort. Wyatt is in the box, and he is one helping get some things ready. So what I was thinking is that we will make some windows for this big box right over here, and then we'll decorate the boxes with streamers. We'll have some tunnels, and I have some cool other little pieces that have a circle cut out already, and we can make these tunnel pieces too. Alright, so I'm going to make some windows in here too. Okay, there we go, and we can open it up, and you can open and close it too. That's cool. So we have this long box and this little white box, the Smashers box. Hey! That's cool. And then this box, we have a lot more to do, huh?
I'm decorating this tunnel area.
Okay, so I cut a few more boxes out. Yeah, you're inside one right now. Baby Eli's inside one right now. I don't know if you can see it. And then I'm going to make a little pathway right here, and we'll decorate some more for our fourth party. You guys are doing good with the streamers. I think your little brothers like it this most so far. They're the ones climbing through. There we go. And I think one secret to make your own fort inside of so I think one secret is to you cut out the boxes and then you tape from the inside. I think that works the best. More tape right here. Yeah, you got tape. Are you going to tape up some streamers? Yeah. Bye. Bye. Yeah, crawling through. That is really cool. Okay, so we're gonna make this a two-story fort, and I'm going to cut a hole right over here.
Yeah!
This is gonna be fun. Okay. This super helps if you have a box cutter. You just gotta watch out. Safety first. There we go. So I'll put this on top right here, tape it down, and then let's make a really big window over here. Maybe, should we make a circle?
Star.
A star? That might be hard. A heart? Okay, make sure there's no kids in there. There we go.
Is this like a lookout point?
So this will be pretty cool. A little heart.
Hi.
And pop it through.
Yeah.
Okay. And then we should make a little hole on top too so you can look out.
There already is.
Right there? That's good?
Yeah.
Okay. Then we'll tape it down. Is it party time? Okay, so now we'll tape this part. Tape from in here first. I think will be easiest. Hi. There we go. There's one spot. Then let's use some more crepe paper. Maybe up on the top too. I think this looks really good with all the crepe paper, don't you think?
Yeah!
And good thing we have tons of crepe paper, huh? Oh, that looks so cool. Happy dancing. Are you a marshmallow? This looks so cool. You want to go inside? The 2 stories is awesome. There's a yellow. You have a yellow window there. Okay, so let's look over on this side. So there's a 2-story part right there. A tunnel. Another tunnel. Nice. And then there's a hole right here. Pickle, pickle. So this is looking really good. I think it's turning out so well because all of us are working together. Yeah, and you're just having fun. I don't know how much work you've been doing, huh, Max? I think it's also looking really nice with all the streamers and the balloons. So this side still looks a little bit too plain. So I cut out some more streamers and I'll add these right over here. Hey, Dino.
First time I went through.
Yeah, first time you went through. Cool.
He went, he didn't go, he went really slow. And I know because it's so fast. Go down.
Wow. Okay, so I just finished this part, and this is coming together so well. Do you think this is a party fort?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Kind of. One more ball. Time to play. Yay! Yay!
Party time!
Yeah!
Blow! Blow again! Blow! Is it working?
Watch me. Does it work?
Yay! Yay! Okay, let's see if Toby can fit through all of it. So go through there and see if he can go to the second story. Wave out the window. Can you get through? Oh, there you are. Cool. Now let's see if I can see you in the other window. And there you are. Come over here. Whoa, so cool. And then up through there. Oh, hi. Definitely the party house. Hey, Dino, how did you get through? Hey, Max. Woohoo! Total fun. Well, everybody, if you think we did a good job with our party fort, please remember to like and subscribe and check out more videos.
Yeah!
Hi, everybody. It's Valerie here from the All Toy Collector channel with...
Bye!
Yeah, and today we have this really cool crystal growing kit. And where do we get this?
Dollar store?
Yeah, the dollar store.
Yeah.
And it says right here, it's like a dead giveaway. $1, wow.
I didn't know Roblox could have stuff grow on it.
Well, moss grows on rocks,
Well,
so yeah.
Well, oh wait, the crystals go on top of the rocks. I thought the rocks turned into the crystals.
Well, yeah, the rocks that turn into crystals. I think with this, you have crystals growing on rocks. So let's open this up. I don't even know how long this will take.
It doesn't say, maybe it will in the instructions.
Okay, so here's, whoa, that's a lot of crystals. So here's some green crystals. It's kind of about the same size as sand, only it looks a little bit more glassy. And then let's see, what else did it come with?
stick.
Yep, a wooden stick.
Directions.
And the 2 rocks. Woo!
Came with directions.
And let's read the directions. Alright, I read the instructions and it looks like you need your parents' help and you're going to fill this black thing up 3/4 of the way with hot water. So let's see here.
And do we put in the crystal?
Okay, so there we go. And then we put this in a separate container. Ooh, nice and hot water. It's not too much. And then we put, it says 3/4 of this package into here. I don't know why it's not the full thing, but that's okay. Yeah, so dump in almost all of the package, but save a little behind. That's a cool color, the emerald green. Okay, that's really, yeah, that's really good. Let's try that for now.
Maybe you'll.
And then stir. Alright, we finished mixing it. And Wyatt's going to pour these crystals right on the base. And then after you scoop some on the base, we're going to put the rocks on top. Ooh.
That's a lot.
And then, yeah, and then you're supposed to put some on top of the rocks too. Gee, this is going to be pretty interesting.
How about you put this one right here? So.
Ooh.
This is pretty awesome.
Yeah, this looks really cool so far. We can hardly wait. It says that it should take at least 2 days, maybe longer. And I guess that once we're done with this, we'll come back in 2 days and show you how it looks.
Yeah.
And also, I forgot to mention that the directions said that the crystal should be 3 to 4 centimeters tall.
Wow, that's pretty good. Yeah.
Alright, Wyatt is done dumping all of the crystal powder mix. And I guess we'll see you, oh, a little more. And I guess we'll see you in 2 days. Alright, it's been 48 hours, and do you think we have crystals that look like this? What do you think, Wyatt?
No.
No? Let's move this. Oh, what? Oh no. What happened here? Well, first off, Toby did pick this up after day 1 and it did fall off here, but I don't think that matters. The crystals that even stayed on there didn't seem to grow. I guess it grew a little bit, but it just did not grow 3 to 4 centimeters, that's for sure. Looks kind of cool. Let's see, do you have some crystal here?
That's not crystal. That's rock.
I don't know. Kind of a fail. Well, it is cool that this was only $1, so we didn't waste much money on this. Well, all toy collector fans, I was wondering, have you ever tried making your own crystals at home? Did it work? Please let me know. Thanks for watching, and please check out more videos by All Toy Collector, and have a great day.